Welcome to 3 Nickels, the financial advisor in your pocket. Our simple and intuitive tools within our app can answer many of your financial questions, and this video will help you get started. Now that you have joined, let's take a brief tour. On the home screen, starting with the hamburger menu, you will find helpful account information and a link to this video. Tapping on Profile allows you to update your personal information, and Plan Options allows you to manage your plan settings. Navigating back to the home screen, you will find our hexagon map. Each hexagon button can take you directly to one of our 12 free financial modules. These all function in a very similar way. For example, the debt module. Plug in your debt information, such as credit cards, mortgage, loans, or medical bills. This tool will suggest strategies and methods to reduce that debt. You can save your information for your next visit and export that data right to your phone. Considering adding debt, this tool helps you see what your income can support and what the true cost of a purchase will be. Each of the 3 Nickels modules offers calculators, checklists, and valuable information to help answer your financial questions. Take advantage of all the free tools that 3 Nickels offers. If you want professional, personalized recommendations on any area of your finances, you can learn more about the advice plan in the hamburger menu here. We hope this quick demo helps you start your journey to financial freedom. Should you have any questions, you can email us, call, or connect with us on social media.
3 Nickels. Save, spend, give.